Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I'm standing in front of one of our retired demo service vehicles, the 2019 Chevy Equinox LT. This vehicle only has 3,014 miles on it and is being sold as new with warranty with over $4,400 in savings for all Apple Chevrolet customers. This front wheel drive vehicle comes with a 1.5 liter dual overhead cam engine, your back tinted windows, and 17-inch aluminum wheels. Now when we go ahead and get inside this vehicle, you can see that we do have the all-weather mats, cloth jet black seating with a tan lining throughout the entire vehicle. Now when it comes to the front of the vehicle, we do have a brand new Chevy MyLink radio, heated seating, push to talk, and your standard cruise control. This is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you guys have a great day.